Now we going to understand the IT application. So IT application play major role in each and every fields. So first we understand the IT application. In technological developed nation, information technology has become a part of everyday life. For a user, computer is a tool that provides the desired information whenever needed. The use of computer and information technology can be observed at home, workplace, in the modern service industry, and in all aspects of our life. It includes listening to music, watching movies, playing games, doing office work, chatting and sending messages, managing daily planner, reading books, paying utility bills, booking tickets to travel, bank operation, etc. Computers and ICT is used in industries, in office and in house also. The various applications area are business, banking, insurance, education, marketing, healthcare, engineering design, military, communication, animation, research, agriculture and government. So these all area cover with the IT application. So you note down the definitions of IT is the IT technology developed nation, information technology has become a part of everyday life. This you will note. And computer and IT is used in industry, office, houses. The various areas of IT is this. So you will note down the highlighted text only. And now we will discuss the all areas of IT application one by one. So first is IT in home computing. So write the side heading IT in home computing. A personal computer means PC is used to work at home, to do household account, play games, surf the web, use email, create music and purpose a range of other hobbies. PC is also used to play games. It includes action games, role-playing games, puzzles and many more. A PC with a CD-ROM drive, sound card and speaker can play audio CD. A computer can be used from home to study a wide range of online courses. So this is the definition you note down for the what is IT in home computing. This highlighted text you also note down for the IT in home computing. Now next IT in everyday life. In our daily life we use washing machine, microwave oven and many other products using which have embedded software. So today different types of machines are comes with the IT software with embedded software. So with this software we can easily operate our devices. So that's why IT in everyday life. So it comes. So today washing machine also comes with the embedded software, microwave oven and other AC fridge. These all are comes with the embedded software. So with this software we can easily operate these machines. So you note down the definitions of IT in everyday life. In our daily life We use washing machine, microwave oven and many other products using which have embedded software. We can store all the information about our important work, appointments, schedule and list of contacts in computers. So you note down this. Next is IT in library. So you can see there, this is a library, this IT in library, e-library you are saying. So today many users are only use the e-library. So nowadays many library are computerized. Each book has a barcode associated with it. This makes it easier for the library to keep track of book and the availability of a specific book. Computer software is used to issue and return the book. Each book in the library has a magnetic strip attached to it that is deactivated before the book can be borrowed. So this is use IT library. IT at workplace. In the office environment, computers and computer applications are used to perform office work more effectively. In assembly line industries, where attention to detail, speed, and efficiency are important, automation is becoming more and more common. Internet and office application from the basic of modern business. So that is very important because automation means many work are automatically managed with the help of IT applications. So the work is done with effective manner. Clear? So that's why the IT use in every workplace. Now we understand the IT in education, how the IT work in the education system. So computer and information technology are extensively used in education for teaching, learning and assessment. The software and hardware technology is used for creating and transmission of information in various forms, including still pictures, audio, video, and animation to the learn. So today we are learn many topics with help of pictures, audio, video, and animations with. So it is play very important role. The learning becomes easy and accessible through the IT. A lot of teaching resources are available for teachers to teach in a better way. Online assessment help to access the student without any business. The students, teachers and educational administration and every stakeholders in the education sector has benefited with the integration of IT in education. So the IT is play a major role in education. So that is provide us a easy way of learning. Clear? So it's that's why is the IT is provided. So you will note down the definitions of IT education. Computer and information technology are extensively used in education for teaching, learning and assessment. Clear? And then after you will write the software and hardware technology use creations and transformation in various forms of including still picture, videos and animation to learners. Clear? So the learning becomes easy accessible through the IT. So only that definition you will note down. Clear? For the IT education. ICT, so information communication technology, that is ICT in the classroom. There are many ways in which the ICT is used for the education in the classroom, such as e-learning classroom, smart board presentation, video and experiments, creations of image, desktop publishing, education game, learning using the CD-ROM, gathering education information on the internet. So this is comes into the ICT in the classroom. And education anywhere, anytime. So any students in India can access NCERT books online through the website. This is www.eatpathsala.nic.in or mobile apps. So with these application, with these IT application, you can access the education, you can learn anything anytime. So it is helpful for you. Teaching ads and media is also available. Learning management system LMS, it's also available. So these all are comes under the IT education. So you note down these all